Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, Happy New Year's to my greatness gang. But just in case you did not know, I am destined for greatness, and you are destined for greatness too. And so, once again, Happy New Year's. Let's make this a great year. I will definitely be making more videos, and I truly do mean that when I say that. This year, the YouTube channel will monetize. We have plenty of goals this year for the YouTube channel. But in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to be giving you guys an updated 2022 version of 20 pips a day using all of the things I talked about on my YouTube channel. So if you're excited for that, give this video a like, a comment, and a thumbs up, please. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm truly excited for this year. We're gonna hop on the desktop and we're gonna get everything down. I am in the process of rebranding the Greatness brand, so the website is down right now. Stay tuned. The rebrand is gonna be real this year. The Greatness Academy. We have a lot of great things for this year. But without further ado, let's hop into the desktop and get this YouTube video started in 3, 2, 1. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're here on the desktop. It's been a minute since I've been on my desktop. And as always, the website that I am using is tradingview.com. Simply go to Google, type in tradingview.com. It will pop up. Make a free account. You can use up to 3 free indicators. You need to do this. So go ahead and do that if you have not done it. So if you guys know my strategy, I use whole psychological levels for 1. For 2, we always go with the trend. And for 3, 20 pips is easy to catch. You know what I'm saying? You have to understand that you can catch 20 pips on an hour candle. A lot of people like to show the 4-hourly and the daily, and you have to understand that within a day, it's about 200 pip move. You know what I'm saying? And it can get quite hard to try to ride those type of trends. But for instance, if we go onto the 4-hourly, or even if we go to the hourly, and we just look at this box right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this box and put it on this little uptrend. So this was a 1, 2, 3, 4-hour uptrend. So if you go to the 4-hour, this would be that green candle, well, bullish candle. Go back here. So on the hourly, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, bounced right off the 50, touched it, bounced right off. 4 hours of bullishness. So you want to catch 20 pips out of this, right? I'm going to go down to the 15-minute chart. On the hourly, like I said, you have to see this in real time, ladies and gentlemen. So the moment you see this retracement, pull back, you're going to want to wait for another retracement on the 50. When you see this retracement on the 50, the moment I would have seen this black candle, I would have dropped down to the 15-minute and I would have seen this. This is a double bottom. So you see that price came here, hit here, stayed. It supported. This was support. Bounced. Immediately bounced off the 200, came back to test this level, and bounced back up. So you could have entered in here. If you did not want to enter in here, you could have entered in on the break and the retest. So price broke through the 2 EMAs and this major level, $1.35, and retested it. You could have gotten in here. Let's see how many pips this is right here. So from here to here, that's 48 pips. So I think that's a little bit, I think that's 20 pips right there for you. So that's 48 pips right there in a simple time, in a simple move, a simple break and retest and get out quick. Because when you hold is when you can get into, FOMO. It's as simple as that. I like to get 20 pips because I know it's quick. Now, to compound 20 pips, multiply your trades. Obviously, I am not no financial advisor, so do what you need to do. But if you have a 20 pip move and you put in 3 trades, that 20 pip move is now equivalent to 60 pips because you compounded that trade. So that's something to think about. But it's as simple as this, ladies and gentlemen. Just going with the trend. We went with the trend. We can go back on the 4-hourly. That was an uptrend example. We can go, just look at this. So only on the 4-hourly, you're going to find one big bullish candle is what you're looking for, because you can just scalp it. 20 pips is scalping. You know what I'm saying? So let's find another example for you, ladies and gentlemen. How about this downtrend? So you see these two downtrends. We'll get another box. We'll put it here. So this was 8 hours. Boom, boom. Let's go down to the hourly. Okay. So you see how, and we're going against the trend, but I'm just giving you guys an example of a bearish case, which is this right here. So we see on the 4 hourly that we have two. So first thing that I would see is that we came up here. This first close of this candle, this was a bearish engulfing. So this bearish candle engulfed this candle. So I was like, okay, I see that. I would expect to get 20 pips out of the next 4 hour candle. That's how I'm thinking. So you go down here on the hourly, you see the formation, we're going down. That's beautiful. But you can't trade into this because it's not giving you anything. It's not giving you any pullbacks. That's why you go down to the lower time frame. We go down to the 15 minute, and it's still pretty good. Here, how you could have traded this, the break. So the moment price broke below this 50, you could have gotten in on this retest. But like I said, you don't ever want to go against the trend. We have to go down to another lower time frame just because it's that hard going against the trend. So now I like the way this looks. Right here, come pull back, retracement, pull back, retracement. So you could have entered in here, put your stop loss above here. You could have entered in on the break and retest right here, put your stop loss here. And I mean, let's just see how many pips it is. So if you here to here, it's 45 pips. Oh, right here. Sorry about that. Oh, that's on the lower time frame. So on that lower time frame, now it's 45 pips on the higher time frame. So we got in from here to here, 45 pips, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're not understanding anything that I'm saying in these videos, please comment down below. If I'm explaining things well, I'm just giving 2 examples for you guys. And I have questions if I do one-on-one training. I do one-on-one training. I'll put my email below and my socials, and we can do one-on-one training if that's something that you are interested in, and that way I can give you guys more time. I don't want these videos to be too long, so I'm trying to cram everything in as best as I can. So if it's something that you don't understand, email me. We can do a one-on-one training session and we can get way more into detail. But these are 2 cases. Simply use a 4 hourly candle or 1 hourly candle and scalp it. Because in 1 hour candle, there are 4 15-minute candles, and it just goes down. It's all fractal. You just need to understand market structure and have the confidence to place your trades with stop losses. But that's going to wrap up the video today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers to 2022. Big things are coming. Thank you for watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. And just in case you did not know, I am destined for greatness. And you are destined for greatness too, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.